Hello everyone, I have another dish of special one dish pasta. So here are my everything. This is the pasta I'm using. I have the spinach, onions, red onions, my leftover chicken, and I have the chili. I have my chili, spicy chili. This is it. We want to spice it up. Garlic, my chicken cubes, cream of mushrooms. We want to go crazy today. It's gonna be very delicious. So, start with adding my red onion. This is olive oil. So that's good. That is good already. So I'm going to add my garlic. There we go. Lots of some garlic. One more garlic. More the merrier. Smells so good. Smell is everything. One more left. Good. I want to add a little bit of chili oil. Make it spicy. Time to add one. The smell is so good. The aroma, so good. You just cover your pasta. That should be good enough. It's covered. Cover it. Then we are going to add our chicken later. Oh my God, I'm forgetting this. I have to add this one. My chicken cubes. When you are using the cubes, chicken or beef, don't use salt. They are very, very salty. You don't need salt. Spinach and chicken we are going to add later. Now our pasta is cooked. We are going to add our chicken, our spinach. First I'm going to add my cream of mushroom. I'm adding sugar. And adding the chicken. Oh my goodness. So thick. So delicious. You have to try it. Now I'm gonna add my spinach. It's the tiny little. give it 2-3 minutes. 2-3 minutes, then we are done. Now our pasta is done. Oh my goodness. Wow, wow, wow. It looked like pasta Alfredo. Wow. Look how delicious. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with friends and family. This is it. I'm ready. That's it.